I'm just going to go through the components of the satellite TV system. This unit here is the satellite receiver, or the VAST box or set-top box, or whatever you want to call it. Ours is a SatKing brand, and it plugs into 12 volt. Ours is a 12 volt unit, and that's plugged into the TV via either an AV or a HDMI cable. At the moment it's not turned on, and that the set-top box is plugged into via the coax. Just these coaxes up here. There's one in the back of it that plugs into the outdoor plug on the roadside of the van, where most caravans have an outdoor aerial input. That's where ours is plugged into, because that's where the satellite dish itself will be plugged in. Not this unit up the top here, that's a media player, and this is just a switching box for different points. So this is the only unit we need to worry about. The only plug is power, HDMI to the TV, and the coax input, which comes via the outside. In theory, you can bring the cable up through the door and straight in through the back of that, and it will do exactly the same thing. So if we plug it in up the top here and turn it on, this is what will happen when it comes on. It'll come on and it will automatically start scanning, and it'll start showing up on the TV, and it will automatically start looking for satellite signal, and it will look for the VAST signal. It's the only thing it'll look for. It won't look for any of the other stuff that's floating around in space. It's only tuned to look for VAST. This is so it's been turned on now. It's only just come on, so it's on. That'll just keep on counting, and it will keep on scanning. So at the moment it's scanning. It's looking for that satellite signal, and that'll just stay on scanning until you plug the dish in, or until I plug the dish in, and it finds a signal. There's a smart card in this slot in here, and it'll have the smart card number, which is here. And if we take that smart card out, it'll tell us that the smart card's been taken out, and the smart card number is the one that's on there. So it's matched, much like Foxtel. The smart card is matched to this machine. Why they put a card into a machine that's matched is anybody's guess. So we're ready now to just plug in our dish and start to tune it in.